Previously on Supercar Gavin.
Oh! Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, yeah! I love the videos, man! Yo, it's the Stradman! No way! Yo, I'm such a big fan of you, bro! Such a big fan! Yo, what? Roadside! Alrighty guys, we are at an undisclosed location, but the Stradman and the Hamilton collection, they brought their cars out. I gotta take a look at them one more time. Daily driven exotics livery on this Porsche 718 GT4. It says daily driven exotics, but it's not from that. But clean car, very clean car. Yeah, it's sick. And Stradman's Aventador. Again, guys, I have never seen an Aventador looking like this before. I don't think any Aventador looks better than this one. Fully carbon fiber SVR kit with the Rohana wheels. The pink matches so well. At first he still had the orange interior, but he fixed this thing and now it's in it. Sitting here, shiny carbon fiber, it's true glory. It's out in the sunshine. Then Steve Hamilton's cars right here, all 5 of these are his. Hennessy Venom F5 Revolution Roadster. This thing is just phenomenal. Got the Koenigsegg Regera. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. Rimac Navara. Lamborghini Roalto. 2500 horsepower GTR. GT3. Guys, this lineup is crazy. Just let me know in the comments out of all of these, which ones are you taking? Man, this is so sick, guys. Dang, we're getting ready to roll to Steve Hamilton's house right now, just down the road. Great meeting you too, man.
A few moments later.
We gotta take one last time, guys, to look at these cars. Koenigsegg Regera, still sitting in its glory as always. Everything's sick. This is the best car out of all of them. Hennessy Venom F5. This is one sexy car. Dang, guys, he's driving the F5. Oh my god. Oh, we gotta get down here. Hey! Have fun!
A few moments later.
Look who just pulled up! I don't know where he's been, but he finally made it. Yes, sir! Hi,
Hey, how was the drive, man?
It was insanity. Absolutely wild. What a car. John Hennessy, 2 thumbs up, baby.
Was it? How fast was it?
55.
55. Sure, you were going 55. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it, man. I'm glad you guys had a good time. Wow, that thing is crazy. Yeah, we got his Rimac Navara, and we're at his house right now. This is a very nice house we're at right now. Are you kidding me right now? I am wondering how he got this house. This is a beautiful house. Look at this. Big Mercedes AMG right here. Thing's huge. Good family vehicle. There's a fountain too. The Tesla Model X. Oh, look at palm trees. That's how you know we're in Florida, that's for sure. Bugatti Chiron. Man. Probably won't be getting these kind of shots ever again, so this might be the only chance I'll ever get to see all these cars together. Very last chance. Man, it's a beautiful car. All of these cars are beautiful. Getting to meet Stradman, Steve Hamilton. It's just a blessing, guys. You gotta enjoy what you have, guys, because it's always awesome, man. It's always awesome to be with these cars, doing what you love, and getting to see these cars that I've never seen in Florida before is just awesome. Man, guys, I might get emotional when I get home just because I got to meet Strad. He's my inspiration. He's the guy that made me want to start this channel in the first place. And getting to see his Aventador, just getting to know him.
That is.
No, this is just awesome, guys. Let's take one last shot of the Aventador. This might be the last time you guys see this until I make it to the beautiful state of Utah. Wow, guys. Won't be seeing this car for a while, but we will be seeing it soon. And gotta tell you guys, it's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Can't believe I got to meet Strad. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. We got the man himself.
Yes, sir.
Mr. James the Stradman.
Dude,
how are you doing, man?
Dude, I'm doing good. You want to check out the interior?
Oh, absolutely.
Brand new E3 Customs. Look at that.
Oh my God. Look at this, guys. I can't believe I'm talking to you right now.
Dude, I can't believe I'm talking to you. Thank you for coming by.
What do you got to say to the people watching this video right now?
I appreciate them. I support them. I love you guys. This is what an incredible event today was, right? With the Hamilton collection.
Yeah.
Carbon Aventador here. It's been so much fun being in Florida. I love Florida. Beautiful state of Florida, baby.
Yeah, you got to tell us a little bit about this thing. Can you tell us a little bit about what you've done to this thing?
It's a 2012 Aventador. I bought the car in probably 2017, 2018. It has a full custom Duke Dynamics kit, the SVR kit, full exposed carbon fiber. And it's got the Rahana wheels. It's got the full Gintani exhaust, so this thing sounds otherworldly.
Oh, we heard it.
That custom interior that you guys saw earlier.
Yeah,
I love driving this car. There's nothing like an Aventador. 6.5 liter V12, 700 horsepower. Single clutch transmission that it'll just kick you in the back. Corsa mode and Aventador will change your life. I love this car.
Yeah, guys, this is why I like the Aventador. There's nothing more raw than an Aventador. That's because of the transmission,
exactly,
right?
Yeah, the brutality of it.
Yeah, I don't think there's any other car that shifts like that, right?
Nope. This car, every single time I drive this, it makes me laugh like a little kid. I've driven this car 20, 30,000 miles, right? And I still get joy out of it, and that's what makes the Aventador special.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, man. You gotta say bye to the camera. End the video.
Yes, sir. On that bombshell, today's video is over, and I'm out.
And if you haven't already, be sure to go check out my interview with the Stradman. I know you guys will love it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.